Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most creative and unconventional campers ever built, the 2026 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper. Known for his bold, artistic approach to vehicle design, Kevin Cyr has taken the idea of minimalist travel and turned it into a rolling work of art. This tricycle camper isn't just about mobility, it's about expression, sustainability, and freedom on the open road. Let's begin with the design. The 2026 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper instantly grabs attention with its retro-inspired shape, oversized proportions, and handcrafted details. Built on a three-wheel platform, it features a wide rear stance for stability and a compact front end that makes it agile and easy to maneuver. The exterior showcases custom paintwork, rounded lines, and an industrial meets art aesthetic that feels more like a moving sculpture than a traditional camper. Despite its small footprint, the interior is surprisingly functional. The cabin is designed with a raw, minimalist approach, using wood panels, metal fixtures, and custom-built components that reflect Kevin Cyr's artistic vision. Inside, you'll find a compact sleeping area, basic storage, and a simple living space designed for short trips and creative escapes. Natural light flows in through small windows, giving the interior an open and cozy feel. Powering the 2026 Tricycle Camper is an efficient electric drive system designed for urban cruising and relaxed road adventures. The electric motor delivers smooth, quiet performance, while the battery system offers enough range for daily exploration and weekend getaways. The lightweight construction helps maximize efficiency, and the low center of gravity improves balance and ride comfort. From a riding perspective, this tricycle camper feels stable and confidence-inspiring. The suspension is tuned for slow cruising, allowing you to enjoy the journey rather than rush the destination. Disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, and the wide rear wheels help maintain control, even on uneven surfaces. What truly sets this camper apart is the philosophy behind it. The 2026 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper is not built for speed, luxury, or mass production. It's built for creativity, individuality, and storytelling. It challenges the idea of what a camper should be, and proves that travel can be personal, artistic, and sustainable.